Hi there guys and girls, in this lesson I'm going to show you two different techniques for quicker doubles on your bass drum. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first technique I'm going to show you is the heel-toe technique. A misconception about this technique is you use your heel to get one of the hits, where you actually don't. It's just the motion of your foot that gives you the two different hits. Okay, so I'll show you that technique and we'll do it in slow motion and full speed so you can see what's involved. Okay, the second, which is the one that I use, is the slide technique. So you get the two hits by using your toe and you slide up and down the bass drum. So first down and then up to create the double strokes that you need, okay? So I'm going to do that again, once again in slow motion and then in full speed. Okay then guys, so I hope that lesson was useful to you. As you can see with the slide technique, hit back first and then up for your second hit. And with the heel toe technique, you sort of have a rocking motion. I use the slide technique, as you can probably tell by the videos, that's what I'm more proficient with, and that is the one I use when I play my quick doubles. Have a mess about with them, see which one works for you, see which you find easier. I like a higher seating position, so I find, and I play with my heel up quite a lot. So I find that the slide technique is a lot better if you like the higher seating position. But as I said, mess about with both of them. So see which one is best for you and please comment down below. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.